We were just here about 4 or 5 days ago and sprayed this ivy, and as you can see, there's pretty good leaf curl going on. But the hard thing about ivies, whether it's an ivy that's escaped as an ornamental or if it's wild strawberry, wild violets, they're all ivies. Ivies can be very hard to control. Treating them once every 5 weeks or so isn't enough on these. This is a problem weed that we're going to have to come out and treat more often, and it might take quite a while to get rid of, but you can eventually get rid of it. Just make sure when you're choosing ivies for ground covers to do everything you can to keep them in its place, because once you get out in a situation like this, they can be very hard to control. Homeowner hasn't owned this home for very long, and so we're working on the yard trying to get it thickened up, which will help suppress this. But we're going to have to come out and treat this, quite often to knock this back and keep it under control.